Before you buy Notion, there are a few key things you should know. While it's a popular project management tool, it might not be the best fit for everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 things you should consider, especially when comparing it to other tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com. The first thing you need to understand about Notion is its flexibility. It's incredibly customizable, allowing you to build your workspace exactly the way you want. This is great if you like to create personalized systems, but it can also be overwhelming for new users. Other tools like Asana or Trello offer more structured layouts, which can be easier for beginners to navigate. Next thing, Notion is known for its all-in-one workspace. You can use it for project management, note-taking, database organization, and more. This is an advantage if you're looking for a single platform for all your tasks, but it can also mean a steep learning curve. Many competitors, like Monday.com, focus primarily on project management and are easier to pick up right away. The third thing to keep in mind is that Notion has a unique system of blocks. You can add text, images, databases, and even code and arrange them however you like. While this is a great feature for those who enjoy organizing content, it may not be the most efficient for team collaboration, especially compared to tools like Asana, where tasks and subtasks are clearly laid out. The fourth thing to note is Notion's mobile experience. While it has apps for both iOS and Android, they don't always offer the smoothest experience, especially when compared to Trello or Asana. If you need to access your tasks on the go, these alternatives might offer a better mobile user experience. Fifth, let's talk about templates. Notion has a large library of templates for everything from project management to personal planning. However, many users find that these templates require significant customization to meet their needs. On the other hand, tools like Monday.com provide pre-built workflows that are ready to use, making setup much faster. The sixth thing to consider is Notion's collaboration features. While it supports sharing pages and workspaces, its real-time collaboration is not as smooth as Asana's or Monday.com's. If you're working with a large team and need to stay in sync, you may run into some issues with Notion's performance. Next thing, Notion lacks advanced reporting and analytics. If you rely on data to drive decision-making, you may find Notion lacking in this area. Competitors like Monday.com and Asana offer built-in reporting tools that help you track progress, workloads, and project performance with more ease. The eighth thing is Notion's pricing model. Notion offers a free plan with limited features, and its paid plans are reasonably priced. However, if you need the advanced features available in the paid version, it can get expensive, especially for teams. In comparison, Asana's premium plan also comes at a cost, but it offers more robust project management tools. The ninth thing to know is that Notion is excellent for small teams and personal use. Its simplicity and customization options work well for solo users or small teams. However, if you're managing a larger team or a complex project, you might find other tools like Trello or Monday.com to be more suitable for your needs. The 10th thing to keep in mind is integrations. Notion does support integrations with other tools, but it's not as extensive as what you'll find with tools like Asana or Trello. If you rely heavily on integrations with apps like Slack or Google Drive, other tools might be better suited for your needs. The 11th thing is that Notion's task management can feel a bit disjointed at times. While it can handle tasks, lists, and databases, it doesn't offer the same level of refinement in task management as Trello or Asana. If you're looking for something that focuses solely on task flow, these tools might be a better fit. The 12th thing to remember is that Notion has a steep learning curve. While it offers a wide range of features, mastering them can take time. If you're looking for something that's easy to use from day one, you might find tools like Trello or Asana to be more intuitive. In conclusion, Notion is a solid option for many users, particularly if you like flexibility and customization. However, if you're looking for something with smoother collaboration, better task management, or advanced reporting features, you might want to try a different solution. Check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free and see if it works better for your needs.